but today we're going to be reviewing another Toyota Ford, the 2020 4Runner. Now this could be done to any key fob that is just like this one. It has to be specific to this. All right. Now, first things first, let's do a quick unboxing. When you order this from Miso Customs, it's going to come in this sort of packaging. Now, I'm not going to show the other side because the other side has my information, but really quick, without giving too much away, I'm gonna pull this to the side, just like so, and it comes in this bubble wrap. And depending on what kind of buttons you ordered, you're gonna get those buttons. Mine's, I ordered them red. Let's put them right here to the side. And this is the key fob. So it's called the Minimalist Key Fob by Miso Customs. And I haven't opened this yet. I did put the sticker right here. The sticker doesn't come there. They have it outside. But I put it there. It's for 2016 and up Toyota Tacoma. You could do it for a 4Runner. It's a key fob replacement mod. It fits the smart key models only. And doesn't have the key the key model right here, but it's the it has to be the key fob. It can't be the key version of it. All right, here's the plastic cover for it. Put this to the side. Here is the one side of the key fob. This is the other side right here. Let's put this right here to the side. And then they have this right here, which I'm guessing is where the tools are to replace this. And then there's nothing in there. And then let's see if we could peel out the sticker real quick. And there you go. This one's purple. You're gonna open this up, depending. Like this is how you know I haven't messed with this. I don't know how to open this. Where is this? Oh, you gotta slide it, I guess. Yep, you slide it. And this one already comes with black buttons, right? And here's the tool and the screws. I think the easy way is to do this and have them all out, just like so. And there you go. Now, there's another way to open this, right? You open up your key like this. You insert it through here, and then you just like slightly push up on it, and that should free up your key fob. There it is. And here it is, the key fob. And inside, you have that foam, and you have the plastic or the rubber material right here covering your keys. Now I'm guessing you probably could put these ones on top of here, and then you have like a really cool factory key fob, but I'm not gonna do that right now. All right, let's put this to the side. All right, put those as such, lock on top. I mean, and there's, pretty sure there's only one way you could put these in. Lock. This is the lock up here, right? Then this rubber material, or the rubberized material. It's funny that it has that extra button right there. It's used for your universal stuff right here. And you're gonna put it in the grooves. All right, and then you're gonna grab your key fob. You're gonna press it right here as such. Oops. There we go. I'm unlocking the car from here right now. And then this goes right here like this. But that's not it all. So you have your choices of what you want to put in there or kind of insert. I'm gonna go with that one because that looks really cool. And then you see this, there's like a lip right there. That lip goes in there as such, right? And then you gotta like clip it really tight. There you go. All right. There it is. Okay, now let's put these guys right here. And that's how you do that, all right? And then you get the screws. And you drop these bad boys through here. All right, and there it is. And that's how it looks. Now I'm gonna put a link on the bottom in the description box. I did put the rubber, that rubber lining in there for what I think is for weatherproofing. The buttons do feel really tight when you press them, and they really feel like they're not coming back up, which I don't think they're coming back up. There's something going on right here. All right, I'm gonna have to open this back up and I'll come back. This is life, people, this is life right here. All right, so I'm back. I really don't know what's going on here. I actually went online and looked. So I thought I already knew how to put this on, but apparently I don't. So they do put this rubber gasket on, right? Now, I don't know if this is my rubber gasket that is like that, but then you see like those edges right there? They have to go like in there, and then like and it sits a little bit too high right there if you see it, right? So then when you put this part on, like this upper button just gets stuck. And I'm thinking it's just a button. So I'm gonna try with a black button just to like change things up, because even this one stays stuck. Yeah, I think these buttons suck. All right, let's try the black ones. All right, so just go put this on real quick. And because the videos that you see online, nobody's running custom buttons. Right here, just press it and it comes back up. There you go. But the red ones don't come back up. Let's see if there's like a difference. Maybe that could be, I mean, they don't look different. It looks really close. All right. Yeah, you can even feel it when you put it in there. It's like tight. There it is. You gotta loosen it up. All right, let's try it again. I kind of like that contrast, red, black. Maybe put this one red. Let's see what happens. There you go. So that was it. I don't know what the heck was going on. I mean, it was kind of stuck in there. Like, you know, maybe, like, you know, you saw this light kept blinking. Anyways, enough of that. Now it works. I guess I don't have to call Miso Customs. But imagine like one of those buttons getting stuck, and then next thing you know, your car is unlocked. Nice and tight. They do have metal inserts on this side. It is metal. So like when you screw it in, you're not screwing it into plastic, so you don't strip out the plastic, but I wouldn't go too tight on it. And there you have it. The Miso Customs Minimalist Key Fob. You could choose a variety of colors. I went with white, and you get the different colored inserts that you could put for the buttons. And then you saw how it went. Hope you like this video. If you do, make sure you go down to the bottom of this video and give a like. If you haven't yet, go ahead and subscribe. But I'll try to keep the videos going, and you just have to keep on giving the likes and subscribing. Real quick, I forgot to mention that this key will not go in here. So this is gonna be staying outside, and you're gonna have to just keep it dangling on your keychain. Just keep that in mind. Now, again, thanks for watching, and catch you next time.